Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Step Into a New Day. And today I'm excited to share with you something near and dear. And if you've been following my channel for a long time, you already know journaling. Journaling is something that has been part of my life since I was 16 years old. It is so important. It has helped me with my development and thought processes and connection with God, connection with myself in all different ways. Today, I want to share with you 3 steps to actually starting a journal. And after that, if you still are hanging with me, I invite you to stay with me as I actually guide you through steps 2 and 3. If you have a journal of your own and you need that extra support, I am here to guide you with that. And so for those of you that do not know me, my name is Brandis, and I was a Spanish high school teacher turned stay-at-home mom turned certified professional Christian life coach. And I love helping mothers feel good in their homes, minds, bodies, and spirits and live God's best for their lives. Step number 1 is to buy a journal. And yeah, easy enough, right? I invite you to buy a journal that speaks to you. I always kind of say a prayer. I feel within my body, what am I needing? Where am I going? Where am I headed? And when I go to the store, a lot of times it's going to be Home Goods, Marshalls. They have really cheap journals there. Target, sometimes I've gotten journals. But what really comes out at me? What words come out? What pictures or photos? Where do I feel I am at that point in my life? And that is the journal that I will pick for myself. So it's very important to really have a connection with the journal. You don't have to, but it's something that I strongly recommend to kind of feel like God is with you, guiding you even in your journal. Number 2 for starting a journal is to set an intention. I always, and I've been doing this for a while now, the front cover of the journal, that part right there, I always put intention. And I really take some quiet time and quiet moment before I even start the journal to set an intention. Where am I on my path at this very moment? What am I hoping to experience or accomplish or have new thoughts about at the end of my journal, right? Sometimes these journals last us, 2 months, 3 months, depends how much you write. What do I want at the end of this? So I always write that down as an intention. And it's so crazy because when you look back at your intention, when you are done with your journal, you're like, wow, that really did happen, or I really did experience that, or this really did help me, get more clarity on things. So it's really, really cool. I highly recommend setting an intention on the inside of your journal. And number 3 is to simply start writing and to be committed to the habit of journaling. Starting to write could be as easy as saying hello to yourself. It could be as easy as writing down a prayer to God. It could be as easy as having a journaling prompt already with you that you want to put at the top of the page and you want to write about. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be specific, perfect. You never have to feel like it's being graded, but it is simply starting to write on that page. And the biggest part of this step is the commitment to saying, yes, I'm going to make journaling a practice for myself. Maybe I'm going to journal once a week. Maybe I'm going to make it part of my everyday in the morning or at night before bed or maybe at lunchtime. But making that commitment is huge. And then actually just writing with an open heart, allowing God to be with you on those pages and to write and to flow and to realize how sacred it is to actually be putting pen to paper. And the final thing I'll say about that 3rd step with starting writing is making your space sacred, taking and carving out time, whether you go to your office or you go to your bedroom or you go outside, but not trying to journal when everybody's yapping at you, when your kids are trying to get something from you, when your husband's trying to talk to you, when you're talking to a friend or whatever, but really taking that time for yourself and journaling and making it special and making it sacred for you would be definitely step 3. It is time for some journaling practice. If you have one on hand, take it out. Open up your journal to the inside cover and write the word intention. What would you like to do, or who would you like to be, or what would you like to experience at the end of these journaling pages? And what do you sense God telling you about this as well? You may pause the video at any time and write. Now it's time to write in the first page of your journal. Some things that you can say are, "Hi, God." You can say hi to yourself if you haven't talked to yourself in a while. Another prompt is, "I want." Another one would be, "What does it look like to have it all for me?" Another one that I love are, "I am proud of," "I forgive myself for," and "I am committed to." Any of these can be helpful with your first page starting in your journal, and you may pause this video at any time in order to start writing. All right, thank you guys so very much for joining me today to talk about something that I hold so close to my heart, which is journaling. And for those of you that are just like, this is just, it's too hard for me. I'm not comfortable just getting a blank journal. I'm not comfortable just trying to think of prompts myself, or trying to talk to God myself, or trying to talk to myself by myself. I invite you into my journal that I have published on Amazon. It is called The Climb, a heart-centered Christian guided journal. Find contentment, purpose, and direction for your life. And I have it all together for you. I have prompts in here, and it is a sequential type of experience. And there is music like that you can listen to. There's prayers that I have handcrafted for you. There's brainstorming, there's journaling time. I teach you exactly how to do heart-centered journaling. It's all in here. I'll put a card up of a video that I think I went through it page by page to explain it even more. But if this is something you're interested in, if you really feel you need more guidance, then I highly recommend for you to grab this, and it'll be like I am literally there with you, guiding you along week by week. It's probably, this journal here is a 6-week experience. So that is something for you to consider as well. Take care. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'd love when I'm gone, right? I'd love my kids to go ahead and read them if they ever wanted to, and they can learn all about their mom. So I think there's something very, very, very special with that.